Question: what is the fastest muscle in the human body? A. Tongue. B. Eye muscle. C. Finger muscle. D. Heart. The correct answer is B. Eye muscle. Question: which blood type is the rarest in the world? A. AB negative. B. O negative. C. Rh null. D. B negative. The correct answer is C. Rh null. Question: what is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Liver. D. Lungs. The correct answer is C. Liver. Question: which bone is the smallest in the human body? A. Stirrup, stapes. B. Hammer, malleus. C. Anvil, incus. D. Cochlea. The correct answer is A. Stirrup, stapes. Question: which part of the human body can regenerate itself completely? A. Skin. B. Liver. C. Cornea. D. Kidneys. The correct answer is B. Liver. Question: which muscle never gets tired? A. Biceps. B. Diaphragm. C. Heart. D. Tongue. The correct answer is C. Heart. Question: which organ has no blood supply and gets oxygen directly from the air? A. Skin. B. Cornea of the eye. C. Eardrum. D. Nails. The correct answer is B. Cornea of the eye. Question: what is the only part of the human body that cannot repair itself? A. Teeth enamel. B. Fingernails. C. Hair roots. D. Skin cells. The correct answer is A. Teeth enamel. Question: what is the average lifespan of a red blood cell? A. 90 days. B. 120 days. C. 200 days. D. 365 days. The correct answer is B. 120 days. Question: which organ in the human body stores bile? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Pancreas. D. Small intestine. The correct answer is B. Gallbladder.